Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine. Today, in this video session, we are going to complete the remaining part of the poem, The Wait. In this particular poem, till now, we have discussed that how exactly the veterinarian doctors they deal with their patients, and this is a very critical and difficult job to treat their patients because each time they have the different kind of the animal or bird and their body structure is totally different. So it's very necessary to know about each and every animal's body structure and how exactly they suffered. And here it's very necessary to have the vast knowledge of the areas. So here remember, we are going to discuss that how exactly this particular poem is a witty and humorous poem. And through this particular poem, Guy Bose would like to tell you the importance of the veterinary doctors in the life of the birds and animals. So without wasting the time, we are going to see the remaining part of the poem, The Wait. अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please to subscribe our channel for new and innovative learning of English language. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please do subscribe. So let's see the next stanza of the poem, The Wait. So in the next stanza, Guy Bose said to us that if the lions got a cold, if the zebras getting old, if the centipede has trouble with his feet, if the hippos feeling ill, if the bisons got a chill, if the Arctic fox is suffering from heat. So in this particular stanza, you have so many names of the animals and these animals are the wild animals. So here we have the first example of the lion. If the lion is suffering due to the cold or the cold atmosphere, if the zebra is having the old age problems, if the centipede, a small long thin creature with many legs. I hope you might see such kind of the creature, okay, centipede. And if the centipede has the trouble with his feet, it means if the centipede has the problem for walking. So if the hippo is feeling ill, hippo means hippopotamus, if they are not feeling well, so what you will do? So definitely you need to call the vet, okay, veterinarian doctor. And here if the bison got a chill, so bison, this is a North American buffalo, okay, and if that particular animal got or if that particular animal got a chill, okay, cold, if the Arctic fox is one of the fox which is having the thick coat on his body. So here if the Arctic fox is suffering from the heat, so what you will do? So definitely you need to focus on the condition, and due to these conditions, of course you need to call the veterinarian doctor to solve these particular problems of the animals which are mentioned here. So it's very necessary to have the veterinarian doctors. Just imagine that if you don't have the veterinarian doctors in the world, so what kind of the scenario will be there? So definitely remember, the scenario will be definitely not good, because to solve the problems of the human beings, we have so many types of the doctors. But what about the animals? They are also human beings, okay, and they have also suffering due to the problems like the human beings. So you need to solve the problems of the animals as well, and only veterinarian doctors, they know it very well to relieve the pain of such kind of the animals and birds. So it's very necessary to call the veterinarian doctors whenever the animals or the birds having the problems, okay. So in the next stanza also you will get some more problems of the other animals. So if some virulent disease has attacked the chimpanzees, if the tortoise hasn't stirred for several years, if the bear's too full of buns, if the cobra eats her sons, if the panther has a wife who chews his ears. So it's very necessary to call the veterinary doctors. if some virulent disease, virulent means caused by virus. So here remember, it's very necessary that if in the chimpanzees, if any one of the deadly disease, if the deadly disease was spread among the chimpanzees, so who is able to cure that particular disease? So of course these vets are able to cure this kind of the diseases among the chimpanzees. And if tortoise hasn't stirred means moved, अगर tortoise बहुत सालों तक हिला नहीं, so it means that tortoise is suffering due to the problems. So you should know about it. It means as a vet, you should have the vast knowledge of each and every animal. So these are the some of the major problems among the various kinds of the animals. So if the bears too full of buns, अगर bear ने बहुत कुछ खाया हुआ है, and if his stomach is not feeling well, so it means if the bear's too full of buns, so that time he's suffering. So the vet or veterinary doctor needs to relieve that particular bear from the pain. So that is the duty of the veterinarian doctor. And if the cobra eats her own sons, it means sometimes this particular thing was happened and cobra was eaten their own sons, newly born sons. And of course remember, if the panther has a wife, if the female panther, if that particular female panther chews the ears of the male panther, so it means some kind of the problem she is having. So the veterinary doctor should know the causes. It means what kind of the causes were there and why these animals are behaving in such a way. So that particular doctor should know it very well. So it's very necessary that the veterinary doctor should know that why cobra has eaten their own sons, why the bears having the problem in his stomach by eating so many buns. And if the panther's wife is chewing his ears, it means some kind of the problem she is facing. So this doctor should know or should have the vast knowledge of each and every animal and bird. And if veterinary doctors having the precise knowledge, so that time it's only possible to cure the disease of the animals. And in the next stanza, if giraffe have had a tiff and their necks are feeling stiff. Tiff means here a quarrel. It means if two giraffes they were attacking on each other, अगर एक दूसरे से वो झगड़ रहे हैं, so you all know it very well that giraffes they are using their necks in the fight, and these are the deadly fights. And of course remember, in such kind of the fights many giraffes they were injured. उनमें फाइट होती है और वो इंज्योर हो जाते हैं, and sometimes they have the stiff necks. It means उनकी जो गर्दन है वो अकड़ जाती है, उन्हें चोट लग जाती है. And that time remember you need to call which kind of the doctor? Veterinary doctors. You need to call them immediately to solve such kind of the problems. So here to the margin side we have two questions. So let's solve these particular questions. Okay, the first one is here, what opposite health problems do the lion and the Arctic fox suffer from? Because Arctic fox having the thick coat on his body, so due to that it's not possible to suffer due to the heat. And lion never caught a cold because they are also having the mane. Okay, and of course remember they are also having the thick coat on their body. So due to that remember these are the different body problems which creates the humorous effect in this particular poem. Okay, and of course this is a witty poem, and through this particular witty poem the poet would like to give you the advice which is light-hearted advice. This is not a serious kind of the advice. So let's see which kind of the advice Guy Bush would like to give you. Okay, so let's see. And the second problem or second question here, that is why have the giraffes got stiff necks? So they have been quarreling with each other. It means two giraffes they have been quarreling with each other, and due to that they have this stiff neck. Okay, so let's see which kind of the advice Guy Bush would like to give you. So if hyenas will not laugh at keeper's joke. So here also remember, the poet is given the examples. So these are the various examples he would like to give you to tell you the importance of the wet in the life of the animals and birds. So if hyenas will not laugh at keeper's joke, so keepers means zookeepers, जो जू में क्या करते हैं, इन एनिमल्स की देखभाल करते हैं. तो अगर कीपर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ जोक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, जोक बता रहे हैं, सो इफ हाइनास आर नॉट लाफिंग ऑन देयर जोक, सो it's not possible that hyenas are actually laughing, but they are always having such kind of the face like they are actually laughing. So if they are not feeling well, that time their face or face structure will be different, okay, and regularly their face structure is totally different, like they are so happy. If they are not feeling well, they will be looking very sad, okay, so they will not laugh at the keeper's jokes. If the monkeys pinched his tail, if the rhinos looking pale, so if monkeys pinched their tail, so it means some kind of the problem they are suffering, means they have some kind of the problem in their body parts. And of course, if the rhinoceros, okay, rhinoceros, if they are looking pale, if their color is looking dull, so it means some kind of the problem they are facing. So in such kind of the condition, you need to call the veterinarian doctors, okay. If the elephant eats paper bags and choked, if the camel hurts his hump, if the kangaroo won't jump, if the crocodile turns cannibal and bites, they run away and get the omniscient the weight and expect him to put everything to rights. So here remember, it's very necessary that if the elephant eats paper bags, and many times you can see such kind of the scenario, by eating the paper bags, these paper bags will create the big problem in breathing. So definitely elephants are not able to take the breath easily, so they become choked. And of course, due to choking, sometimes elephants will be died. So if the camel hurts his hump, so if in his hump he has the problem, if that particular hump has the problem, so of course you need to call the veterinary doctors to cure the problem. So if the kangaroo won't jump, kangaroos are always jumping, and of course if they're not able to jump, it means they are suffering due to the problems, okay. If the crocodile turns cannibal, it means if they will become man-eaters, if they are eating the human flesh, so of course it means some kind of the problem is there. If crocodile becomes man-eater, so that is very dangerous kind of the thing. And if crocodile started biting the human beings, so it means remember they are suffering due to the problems. It means due to their internal problems, they are becoming cannibals, they are becoming man-eaters, and they are eating the human flesh, okay. They run away and get that omniscient. It means omniscient is such a person who knows all and everything. So of course the veterinarian doctors, it is expected from the people that they should know about each and every animal. Though we have several species, though we have the several different types of the animals and birds, still we should have only one doctor, and that is veterinarian doctors. They don't have the specialist doctors like the human beings. So it's very difficult task for this particular person. So we are expecting, it means if such kind of the problems, if animals are facing, these people, those who are working in the zoo, they need to call to the doctors. These are the veterinarian doctors, and these are the doctors which are omniscient. Omniscient means these persons, they are always knowing about each and everything about the problems of animals and birds. So and they are expecting that they will put everything into right. It means वो सब के जो problems है, सब animals के जो pain है, वो definitely cure कर देंगे. ऐसा किसको विश्वास होता है? इन लोगों को विश्वास होता है जो लोग वेट्स को बुलाते हैं जब एनिमल्स बीमार होते हैं. So it's very necessary to having the vast knowledge about the animal science. If somebody would like to become the competent veterinarian, so that time he or she should have the vast knowledge about the animal science. Okay, so let's see the last thing here, or last advice of the Guy Bose for the readers. Let's see. Profoundly I pity the vet who must learn such a very great deal for his pay. My son, I advise you most strongly to earn your living an easier way. Don't attempt to attain the zoological crowd. A far more advisable plan is to call yourself doctor and so be allowed to treat the illnesses of man. So this is a light-hearted advice given by the Guy Bose to the readers, to his own son. And what is said? Profoundly. It means he is feeling greatly pain or pity for these doctors, because all the time they need to accept the challenging job to cure the different kind of the animals and birds, and due to that they need to learn lot of things about each and every animal's body structure and each and everyone's problem. So they need to solve it. Okay, so this is a very great deal, and of course remember they are whatever they are getting as a pay. So if you think about it, so definitely that particular thing you will get it, but after a lot of study. So he said to his son, my son, I advise you most strongly to earn your living an easier way. यानी अगर तुम डॉक्टर ही बनना चाहते हो तो तुम किसके डॉक्टर बनो? ह्यूमन बींग्स के डॉक्टर बनो. इट मीन्स आप इंसानों के डॉक्टर बनो, बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी simple task. It means if you compare the veterinarian doctors with the human beings doctor or the ordinary doctors, so definitely remember you will get to know that these doctors needs to study a lot. Which doctors? Veterinarian doctors. And he said, or he is giving the light-hearted advice to the readers that this is a far more advisable plan, is to call yourself doctor and so be allowed to treat the illnesses of a man. Okay, so this is not a serious advice. So at the end he is given the advice which is light-hearted. This is not a serious kind of the advice. So definitely the last question here, that is, what is the poet's advice to you? So poet's advice is to you that don't become the doctor of the animals or the birds. It means don't become the vets. Try to become the doctor of the man. It means try to cure the illnesses of the man, because that is more convenient, that is more simple. Okay, so here remember, in this particular poem, Guy Bose would like to tell you that the importance of the veterinarian doctors, and of course these doctors are playing a vital role whenever you are thinking about the life of animals and birds. So these are the doctors which are able to decrease the pain of the animals and birds. So you need to always respect them. Okay, so let's see. So here, with this concluding remark, I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you everyone.